guys, Max here from Ohio Train Vlogs. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm here at Marion again. And if you remember from episode 2, I was here. I'm also here with my friend All Ohio Rail Fan. Check out his channel. We actually got a green on the CSX lines right here, far track. So yeah, I'll hopefully see you guys when the train comes. See you for the train. CSX auto rack. And I think we also heard something else coming, so yeah. See you guys for the next train. Looks like we're gonna have a meet, everyone. That was interesting. We got a meet. If any of you guys can tell me what those cars were carrying, please do. Yeah. See you guys for the next train. Second auto rack train I've seen today. Except this time, this one was loaded. There's another train that way that's gonna be moving soon. So yeah, see you guys for that one. See you down there. Teardrop bell. We got a Herzog ballast train. It is dropping ballast from what I hear. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm in a tiny train. He's moving slow. the crossing. Well, that was cool. Thumbs up for that, guys. Wow. That's crazy. Out of all the times I've been here with Marion, I've never seen him dump ballast like that. Anyway, see you guys for the next train. Intermodal. You know, today's really CSX day. See you for the next train, everyone. And we got a mixed freight. Got a mixed freight. Look at that. It's got a heritage unit on it. That's neat. Alright, see you for the next train, everyone. We got our next train. I mean, it's not entirely a train. That was a decent finish to the day. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Anyway, this has been Max. See you next time.